Hello everybody, welcome to my channel or welcome back. This is Mindy and I'm here today to show you some diamond paintings. When I was checking through my emails to see who these were from, I thought I knew who it was. I thought it was GBFKE. I went to the email and I clicked on some of the links for the items and it kept telling me that page could not be found. That page could not be found. And I was like, okay, is it them? What's going on? I don't know. I did find like one of the items at least that coincided with something I'd ordered. So I'm assuming this is GBFKE. I don't know what was going on with their website and I haven't been back. So anyhow, thank you GBFKE. I hope your website's working a little bit better. Maybe it was just a few items. Maybe they were out of stock. I don't know. But let's show you what I have. Okay, let's get into it. I hope you're having a great day. I have been busy today. Trying to get a million things done. I got a busy weekend and I'm trying to get as much done now as I can. Okay, here we have this beautiful owl with all of these purples and blues. It is covered. It's either covered with drills or we got some beautiful print in the background. So at first I thought, is this whole outer edge? It does. It all has drills, right? Bordering all the way around. Now it is printed as well. There's a lot of print down in here. Some trees are printed on there, but I just thought it was really, really beautiful. It's got 9 different types of drills. Let's see what they are. Where did they go? Where did they go? Is it you guys? 342. Yep, it's these guys. Okay. I set it aside with that box. Oh, it's got some large drills. Oh, yeah. For those. Okay. Here we go. What do we have? We have, oh, gold. I think that's 2 bags. Yep, 2 bags of gold. I did not expect there to be so much gold. Purple, blue, clear. That's it for the rhinestones. Wow. Gold, purple, a little bit of blue, and clear. Now we got our special drills. Faceted marquee, clear but iridescent coating on them. They're so pretty. Look at those. Never had those before. Those are gorgeous. Those are big. The big blue, like clear. Oh, those are so pretty. That's what those bees are going to be. There's only a few of them. Okay, beautiful. Then we have some little purple iridescent marquees, some white pearls, and some little iridescent round purples. It's very pretty. It's very purpley. I love it. It's very pretty. I like it a lot. Okay, it comes with a toolkit such as this one. They all do. Okay. All right. Next, what do we have next? Oh, you're gonna laugh. You're gonna laugh. Please laugh. This will make your day. It's a cow. Isn't she cute? I love her. She's so cute. Look at her. She's wearing some boots. She's got a scarf on. She's like, maybe I'm going out today. Ooh. Yeah, I love it. The sunflowers, the flowers in her hair. Yeah, okay. Oh my gosh. 8, 9, 10 different drills. It looks like only 2 of them are special drills, like larger drills. The rest are rhinestones. We'll find out. Let's find out. I love her. There were a couple cows. I will say. There were more than 1 cow. I resisted. I resisted the urge to get more than 1 cow. Okay? Anyhow, here we go. What do we got? Clear rhinestones. Green. Oh, that's beautiful. That's a pretty, pretty green. Gold. Pinkish color. Champagne, kind of. I don't know what that is. A light grayish color, maybe? A dark gray? Black? Here's our special drills. White pearls and, well, you know, sunflower petals. Gotta have some sunflower petals. Isn't she cute, though? She's so cute. I mean, I wish she came in like one of the stand-up things. Oh, my gosh. Wouldn't that be cute? Have her standing around somewhere in your house. I love it. Love it. All right. I love this one, too. This is beautiful. There were more than 1. There were definitely more than 1 of these, but they all had the horse, and I just picked the one that I liked the best, but they were all beautiful, all beautiful. So you've got all of this printed background here, all of the snow, these trees and things are printed. The horse is over here. All of the trees in the background, all of that is all printed on the canvas. That's just print, no drills. Okay, but all of this scroll work down here, yes, it's all printed, but it does have drills scrolling along on the scroll work. I think that will be beautiful. And you get some larger drills as well, like right there. All right. The horse itself is outlined in drills. There's drills on his body. Those look to be larger drills. Special drills here. And all of this in his mane is just gorgeous. We got a ribbon. Isn't this pretty? Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. And it's a larger one. It is a 40 by 40. It has 12 different types of drills. I think it's gorgeous. Like I said, there were others with the horses, very Christmassy. They're beautiful. I love this one. Okay, let's see what we get. What are our drills? Okay, we have clear and green and gold rhinestones. Are those the same or different? They're the same. Okay, so that's going to be all of that scroll work and probably other places as well. I have a beautiful red, like a, I don't know, brownish, gray. I don't know what kind of color that is, actually. Another type of a gold. And then here's our special drills. White pearls, some big gold ones. Oh, they're going to go like here. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, and up there. Okay. And gold marquee, some little gold balls. Oh, beautiful red and red faceted teardrops. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. I love this. Wow. Oh, if only time allowed, I would be working on it like right now, right? Sorry, I'm just going to put these back in the bags and say, fold it up so nicely for me. Just tuck them away right now. I know, more crinkle. Who doesn't love the crinkle? I don't know. Some people don't. Okay, last but not least, what comes in the box? I don't know. I don't remember. Oh, this is the one that I found. This is the item that I found that made me go, oh yeah, this is GBFKE's order. Okay. There's a toolkit in here as well. Yep, toolkit. Okay, so it comes with a stand. Remember, film on both sides. Peel it off. Tweezers help really good unless you got some nails. If you got nails, you can pull them right off. Okay. You ready? It's super cute. Are you ready? Look at her. Look at her. Merry and bright she is. That is one pink snow girl, right? She's not a snowman. She's a snow girl. Isn't she cute? She has her eyes closed like she's just in bliss right now. She's so happy. Isn't she cute? Oh my goodness, I love her. Wow, I love that one. Oh, I don't think I'll be able to part with her. You know, I don't think so. I have lots of snowmen. I don't have so many snow girls, but let's look at our drills. No legend with these, of course. You just look at the number on the bag, like number 1, and you match it up to number 1 on the object there. Look at the pink, and more pink, and a little purple. Then we get some orange and some red. Okay, here comes our special drills. Oh, just hold on. Little tiny iridescent clear marquees. They got that coating on them. They're very pretty. We have some pink faceted teardrops. And look at those. Look at those. Let's have green faceted marquees. And we have red. Where do those flowers go? Where do they go? They are the V's. V. V, 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 V. Wait. V. 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 Or W. Oh, no, they're kind of like double printed. They look like a W, but it's here and here and here and here, here. I love it. I love it. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. It is just adorable. I'm in love. Okay, I'm in love. Yep. Okay, so that's what I got. Wow, I have some winter stuff here. We got the cute little snow girl, and we have the beautiful horse, and we have a cow. I mean, cows are good, you know, whenever. And this is snowy. Doesn't that look snowy to you? It looks snowy to me. I'm just saying, I think it's kind of snowy looking. Cute stuff, right? Cute stuff. They'll all be linked below, so you can go shop and check them out for yourself. Okay, see if you'd like one or not. And like I said, there were multiples of this and this. And there might have been even a couple of varieties of the owl. So thanks for watching, everybody. Please hit the like button, subscribe button. That really helps out the creators that you watch. Share a video now and then if you feel so inclined to do so. Special super thanks below a video if it was really important to you and was valuable, or you know, that kind of stuff. Check out memberships. I got all kinds of stuff. So thank you so much. And I will see everybody next time. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.